Hey there. Welcome back to another episode. This one's about your reason to trust the journey for infinite possibilities. You stand at the threshold of transformation where countless paths converge and the air hums with significance. A deep awareness stirs within you, realizing that every choice you make ripples outward, shaping the fabric of your existence. You can sense the weight of this moment, can't you? Something profound is moving through you, awakening dormant depths, calling forth a strength you've never imagined you possessed. And yet, despite the enormity of it all, you are here. You are present, and most importantly, you are not alone. Even in the stillness of solitude, an unseen force has been inside you, a presence that has never wavered. This guiding energy has whispered through the winds of your life, gently nudging you forward, aligning you with your journey in ways beyond comprehension. Can you feel it? It courses through your veins, echoes in your thoughts, and sings within the spaces between each breath. This force is not separate from you. Rather, it's an intrinsic part of who you are. You have always been in harmony with it, even in the moments when you forgot. Deep within, you have always known what you needed. But the external world has made it challenging to hear your own voice. Now, however, that voice rises above the noise, reminding you that your path is yours alone to walk. You are not bound by the limitations imposed upon you by society or by the self-imposed doubts that have held you captive. You are an expression of something vast and boundless, a fragment of a greater whole, and the time has come to honor that truth. To honor your truth means to allow yourself to be fully seen without fear, without hesitation, without apology. It is not about rebelling against structure for the sake of defiance, nor is it about molding yourself to fit expectations that do not resonate with your soul. Rather, it is about embracing integration, recognizing that every joy, every sorrow, every challenge, and every triumph have sculpted you into what you are becoming. This journey of becoming is ever unfolding, shifting and expanding, and the key is to trust its flow. What if you gave yourself permission to fully embody who you are? What if, just for a moment, you silence the relentless questioning of whether you are enough? Well, you are. The universe has never doubted your worth. It has only awaited your readiness to step into the vast, radiant life that is already yours to claim. This existence is your birthright. And if the term universe feels distant to you, replace it with whatever resonates, whether that be God, source, divine energy. Just know that at its core, it is the essence of creation itself, the same essence that resides within you. Are you willing to trust this journey, even when the full picture remains unseen? Everything you need, strength, courage, wisdom, intuition, has always been within you. Yet the greatest challenge is not in possessing these gifts, but in trusting them. Can you believe that your desires, dreams, and visions are not fleeting fantasies, but rather sacred callings? These longings are not random. They are echoes of your soul's deepest truth, guiding you toward the life you are meant to live. Now, pause for a moment and reflect on your path. Consider how far you have come, the lessons you've learned, and the growth achieved. It may not look exactly as you once imagined, right? But rarely does life follow a linear course. It bends, it twists, it circles back, and sometimes it asks you to journey inward before you can move forward. These moments of pause are not setbacks. They are preparations. The universe does not make mistakes, and neither do you. You are moving in perfect alignment with the rhythm of existence. It is easy to crave instant answers. immediate results, and a sense of control. But there is an immense power in patience, in allowing life to unfold in its own divine timing. Even when you cannot see the road ahead, trust that it is being paved beneath your feet. The trust you cultivate in moments of uncertainty is just as significant as the trust that fuels your actions. Remember the inner work you are doing. The soul work lays the foundation for everything that is to come. The external world often demands tangible proof, visible progress, and measurable success. Yet, the most profound transformations occur beneath the surface, in spaces unseen. You are living proof of this truth. Your purpose is not to chase perfection, but to be fully present and attuned to the energy you radiate. When you align with the vibration of your highest self, life begins to flow effortlessly. Opportunities arise, connections deepen, and struggles that once seemed insurmountable just dissolve into ease. It is not about forcing, it is about being. And of course, doubts will arise. This is inevitable. There will be moments when you question your path, your worth, and your purpose. But these doubts do not define you. They are merely passing clouds in the vast sky of your being. Acknowledge them, then release them, let them go. There is so much waiting for you, so much you have yet to experience, so much yet to uncover within yourself. You have only begun to tap into the boundless potential, and the universe is eagerly waiting for you to step into it fully. Your soul knows the way. It always has. When you trust in this knowing, you unlock a freedom that transcends fear, self-doubt, and limitation. You are limitless. You are meant to rise, and the impact of your journey extends beyond just yourself. Your energy creates ripples, influence those around you in ways you may never comprehend. The more you embody your truth, the more you allow life to move through you, and the more you serve the collective good. So take a deep breath. Let go of any lingering hesitation. You are precisely where you need to be. Trust that the next step will reveal itself in perfect timing. And when it does, walk forward with clarity, courage, and unwavering faith in yourself. The universe is not separate from you. It moves with you and within you. It has always been there, patiently awaiting your recognition. And now the time has come for you to step into full alignment with the magnificent force that you are. You are standing on the edge of something extraordinary. That sensation, the feeling of being on the verge of transformation, is not a sign that you are lost, but rather a confirmation that you are exactly where you need to be. You have always had an inner knowing, a voice that speaks in whispers, nudging you toward your truth. The world may have tried to drown it out, but it has never left you. The challenge has never been about finding answers. It has always been about trusting the ones you already hold within. You know the path to take, the choices to make, the people to welcome, and those to release. The time for doubt has passed. Now is the time to step forward to claim your place in the grand design of existence. There is no perfect roadmap for this journey. It is uniquely yours. Each step you take is carving the way forward. Don't wait for that right moment. The moment is already here, waiting for you to embrace it. The courage you seek has always been within you. The universe has been showing you who you are, not through grand displays, but through quiet moments, through challenges, through the stillness where your deepest truths are revealed. Trust yourself. Trust the unfolding. Trust that every experience has prepared you for this moment. You may not yet see the full picture, but you do not need to. Growth, expansion, and transformation happen within that unknown. And within that mystery lies the magic. You were never meant to force your way through life. You were meant to flow with it. The energy you emit shapes your reality, drawing in experiences that reflect the frequency you hold. The moment you embrace your worth, your power, and your purpose, everything shifts. The universe has been waiting for you to recognize your own magnificence. Now is the time to rise into it. Everything is already aligning. The key is to trust. Trust in yourself, in the process, in the infinite possibilities that await. The universe is not separate from you. It is you, and it is time to claim the life that has always been yours. Have a great day. Much love, joy, and peace to you all. Sat Nam.